Alright everyone, so welcome back to another video. I forgot to say hello world, so let's restart the intro. Hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna keep building our little email sender and email receiver. Alright, so recall last time we set up all the stuff necessary, and then I think we are able to receive a mail and then save it to the database and display ultimately in the front end. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show it to you again. So I'm gonna send from, let me just choose a new one. Let's say demo. I'll just say whoever is this at devwithme.xyz. Let me just do this. Whoever, just in case it has some issue. Send to devwithme at devwithme.xyz, and we'll say python3 sendmail.py. We'll wait for that to run. Alright, and then here you can see I have a worker kind of running at the background, and it will display the email once it received it. And now, oops, okay, I didn't update the body, that doesn't really matter, because it is a timestamp, subject, when the receiver email and the sender email. And then if I refresh on the front end here, you can see I got it back. Whoever is this, to devwithme at devwithme.xyz. Subject is not important, update. Alright, so now I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna just keep implementing the minimum viable product. Alright, and they're gonna take a look design later. Design is definitely necessary because right now it works and it looks somewhat organized. I know the from, to, subject, and the body, but of course we need to rearrange that. Okay, so now what we can do is we can go to mail. One second. Alright, so now we can go to mail, and then we're gonna go create another template, and we're gonna say send.html. Alright, send.html. And let me just copy. Oops. Copy. Oh my god, it's a mess. Alright, let me start removing some stuff here. Alright, so send an email. Alright, so in here we'll just say H2 send an email. Alright, and we'll have a simple form for them to fill out. And for now, I think we'll deal with attachment later, because I need to take a look how TestMail handled the attachments. I didn't take a look into that yet for receiving mail. So in the sender, we're not going to give their ability to add attachment just yet, but I think I'll figure it out during the next video. So here, we'll just go add the following form. Alright, an input type is email, and then here I'm going to say class is form control. Placeholder is receivers. How can I phrase it? Receiver email. Alright, and name is receiver. Alright. And now what we got? We got a subject that they can, of course, add. So text now. Let's give a max on this 400. Max input attribute should be just to limit the length. And here I can just say subject. And then here we can give a text area, which I do need to take a look at get bootstrap, because I'm not sure how text area exactly works. Alright, text area. Ooh, I really like this actually. Let's try something with this. Yeah, let's try something with this. This looks pretty cool. Our email to send. There we go. Alright, oops. I need a subject. I should think this one will work as well. Alright, let me move stuff around here really quick. Oops, oops, oops. I made a mistake. I need to make it bigger. Alright. Okay, I want to move the mail to here. There we go. Okay. Put it here. Not email anymore. Text. Subject. 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 Alright. Alright, let's go add this to the views.path. So here let's say def send. Alright, if request the method equals to post pass else return render dashboard slash send the HTML. Let's add it to the URL as well. Pass is gonna be send viewers.send. Alright. Okay. Looks good. Send. Alright. Okay, render's missing one requested parameter. That's because I forgot to wrap request here. Wait to reload. Wait to reload. Alright. Let me refresh here. Alright, we're gonna get that. Nice. Alright, so sorry for the weird cut here if there is one. Alright, but let's get back here. Okay, nice. So we got these two set up nicely. And then suppose we can remove the BR in between. Let's see. We can remove the BR in between. That's not necessary anymore. Okay, let me see if there is a text area. Yeah, this looks good. Alright, let's paste it here. And then here, let's say body. Body. Yep. So here, let's refresh. For now, I'm just gonna act as like a plain text. There might be some issue, but hello world. Alright, subject, email to send. Okay. Alright, finally, let me go ahead and add a button. And then here we're going to say submit. Here, I guess we can add a BR some sort. There we go. Nice. Alright, email to send. Got this. Nice. Alright. Okay. So then let's go implement the backend. The backend's pretty easy. I mean, since we have the code pretty much all ready to bump and ready to go. Oh no, okay, I need to do these two things. Alright, let me see. Alright, let me go ahead and copy it to something called helpers. And in here we'll say from here. From email. This looks good. Alright. Okay, nice. Alright, okay. So now I'm just gonna act as this works. The send mail works, but I need to export the environment variable again. I might do that in a weird cut again, but I think we're gonna proceed for now. So that's in our helpers. Now we can go back to the views. Here I can say from helpers imports send mail. Okay, so send mail. We're gonna say the first is so we'll go say from it is receiver. We'll go get it from them request.post receiver. Let's see. I need to add a name for all of y'all. All right. Receiver. All right. Gonna send the mail. And then I think what we're gonna do is we're also gonna I need to comment out that line actually. So I don't get caught every single time. Alright. We're gonna do if name equals to main, you know. Alright. Okay, so then here we need to create a new model. Or update a new model, so to speak. And ooh, it's actually pretty nice because then we can just use a front email. Alright, nice. This email that's gonna work great. Alright, so in here then I'm gonna say email. And then let me double check what are the requirements. So timestamp equals to how did I do that? Here in the mail.py. Yeah. Let me go to the helpers again. And then paste it here. We'll import time. Alright. Okay, and then here is a timestamp. And then get current milli time. Alright. Here's a current milli time. That's an integer. That's a huge integer. Actually, we want it to be a string because I don't want it to be an integer. Alright. What else? We need the subject. We need the body. We need the from email. From email, who's it from? God. Who do I want to from to? From is from this person. So this person is this person. And to email. To email is receiver. Dot save. And then let's just say return HTTP response. sent successfully. Of course, it's just going to be a temporary placeholder here. We're going to make some fancy templates afterward. Alright, but now I think what we're going to do is we're just going to take a look. So I'm going to do another quick pause here, and I'm going to share back once I got my environment variable set up. Alright, sorry for the weird cut here. Got the environment variable set up, so we can finish this off. One thing I need to do is make sure we add the CSRF token here. That would be great. Alright, so we can pass the CSRF test. Okay, let me refresh. So email to send subject and body. So what I will do is I will go to some website called temp mail, which is just basically going to generate a temporary email you can work with. Alright. Alright, okay. So, looks like somebody already used this email before, because I never used it. As well as we're just gonna rename it, or just delete it. Doesn't matter that much to me. Alright. Got that. Let's copy it. I just want to send an email to this, see if we can send successfully. Email to send, subject, hello world. Well, hello world. Submit. Hopefully we can send it out successfully, but if we can't, we'll debug. Alright, sent successfully, and indeed, from devwithme at devwithme.xyz, open it up, and indeed, subject is hello world, and the text is hello world there. Alright, so that's our send functionality right there. That's basically the two key parts. The send functionality as well as the receiving functionality. So what's going to happen is we're going to deploy a lot of different projects, but we're going to domain them into our as a subdomain. So each project going to have their subdomain there up. Once we get that done, and then for this worker, we're just going to deploy it to somewhere where it can always run, because we want it to never quit, always run, because then we can get all the stuff, so blah blah blah, so we don't lose any track of email. It will be great if we have webhook, so yeah, if you don't have webhook, that would be great, but since testmail doesn't provide any webhook, that's why I have to use the worker, so it keep running. But for now, that's about it for this video. If you have any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. As always, thank you for all of your continuing support. That's what keep doing bring these YouTube tutorials or videos, rather I would say, to all of you. So if you haven't do that already, please smash the like button, subscribe button, and as always, stay safe. Have a nice day. That was me. Out.